Now they say that there's another club. It's a members only club, and again, this is over there, and in the UK, and it's called Killing Kittens. I thought that was kind of a strange name, but it's called Killing Kittens. It's a members only club, and you have to go through a test, and an attractive test. So it's hot people only.
What happens to the people that fail?
Hot people only. They don't get in.
Oh my.
Yeah. You have to pass the test of it being, you have to be attractive enough.
What an
to
ego
get
breaker.
Killing Kittens. So I guess that kind of goes with the name. Killing Kittens, and it's there's only hot people. It's for only hotties. No uglies allowed. Okay. if you really you think you can get in and you want to have a threesome with only other hot people that are just as hot as you, and it's exclusive, and it's called Killing Kittens.
I just got the name of that. Like late bloomer, right over the head.
Okay, so now they say that single straight guys, if you're a single straight guy and you're looking for a threesome, that you could go to Killing Kittens. It allows, they actually allow single straight guys, but I'm gonna guess you have to be like a 10 at least. Like you're gonna have to be like really hot to get in there. When you think
HAWT.
they allow single guys. Okay, so what would they be called? A unicorn?
That's a good one.
I don't know. Somebody make up a name. I'm going to.
I don't know. Unicorn.
And it probably won't be nice. Okay, anyways. They also say that to get a female friend to help you, like especially if you're going out, you're going to try to do the club thing or the bar thing, get a chick to go with you.
Wingman, wing girl.
Right.
Wing woman.
A wing woman. Wing woman. That you'd be less looking like a weirdo, I guess.
Less pervy.
Yeah, it'd be less pervy. And she could help you out.
Exactly. And who else better to trust than another woman telling you that her dude is awesome?
Mm-hmm. Exactly. I mean, you got to be trustworthy, at least not, you know what I mean? If you got another chick hanging out with you, a female friend, they're going to think at least they know that you're not like a
psycho killer.
A serial killer.
There's a lot.
Okay. Oh, on the sites too, I'm sure. On the apps and the sites. Okay, they say that, again, you could go to the Rios. You could save up a lot of money and you can go to that sauna.
What a vacation.
In Rios. But there's going to be a whole lot more men because you don't have to be hot or anything to get in there. It's like a public thing. I would imagine they have a capacity for the day. Like, sorry, no more people can get in.
Does that include weight limit too?
Like,
Does that include weight limit too?
No. This one, they don't care if you're ugly. They'll take the uglies.
No, I mean, like, what are we just capacity?
Oh, no. Like, I mean, like, so many people in the sauna.
They're in the sauna. I mean,
right. But, I mean, I'm guessing the sauna is like a bathhouse, too. Like you're saying, there's going to be a bunch of different rooms with pools and saunas and shit in them. You know what I mean? I don't think it's just going to be, Yeah. Especially this big, famous Rios. And I'm going to imagine it's going to cost some money to get in there.
Pretty penny.
I'm sure. Okay. Especially if they'll take anybody. So, in other words, you know that money is what it's going to take to get you in there. Mm-hmm. So, not just anybody with money. Let me change that. Anybody with money can get over into Rios. Threesome sauna. Famous sauna. Mm-hmm. They say same thing, sites. The apps go on there. But demand and supply is low. If you're a single straight guy. And that you might want to think, like Deb said earlier, this is on them too, you might want to think about broadening your horizons.
Women have to do it.
Like, just trying stuff out maybe.
Just a little,
Again, it's 50-50 chance you might be into it. 50-50. Those are good odds, people. Know. Those are freaking good odds. Mm-hmm. Especially in Florida for rain. Yeah. You hear that every damn day. I think that's pretty good.
Nobody knows, guys.
Really? Okay. Now, the next one, like we talked about earlier, lesbian or bi woman. They have a special dating site for them if they want to have threesomes, and it's called Diva Date. Diva Date. So if you're a lesbian or bi and you're looking for other females to have a threesome with, that's what it is, then you go on Diva Date. There's also organized parties. And these organized parties, go figure, are called Club Fuck. And it's KLUBFUKK. But I would still pronounce that Club Fuck. Wouldn't you? Mm-hmm. FUKK?
Yeah.
Okay.
Was it food?
So, fook. No. Fuck. That's what it is. Club fuck. Organized parties. And they have a Facebook page. So check out their Facebook page.
Uh-oh. Free advertising.
Club fuck. Man, here's some free advertising, Club fuck. Hit me up.
That's fantastic.
All right. Then there's also Ginger Beer.
Okay.
I thought that was kind of a strange name there. Ginger Beer. And this is in the UK, though. gingerbeer.co.uk. So apparently you're going to have to do some traveling. And then I'm sure there's some here in the US. I didn't look them up because use the Google. Like I said, it's too easy. It's too easy. You don't need to have me do it for you. Okay. Let's see. They say that there's also Skirt Club. And it's for curious. And they do private parties also. So it's called Skirt Club. And that's here in the US too. I'm sure they got a Facebook page. And that's for bi-curious chicks. So they just want to, they're thinking they might like being with a girl. Then go on there and get with other bi-curious chicks. Okay? Now, if you're gay or bi-male, they say that same deal. Websites and apps. Good way to do it. That's always at the top of the list. Websites and apps.
Yes.
There's one called Grindr. If anybody...
Wait.
Grindr. And it's Grindr. So there's no E in it. Grindr. Grindr.
And that's specifically
And that's specifically for gay or bi males. Okay? Grindr. There's also Pleasure Dome. That is a big, famous place that you, again, are going to have to go to South London to get to. But it's called Pleasure Dome. And that's where you can get your freak on. In this big-ass Pleasure Dome.
Is it like the Thunderdome?
Sounds pretty cool to me.
Does it have toys hanging on the walls? They can like swing from
Probably.
the ceiling?
I guarantee you that's what it is. They got like everything and anything that you can do up at that place for gay or bi dudes. Okay. Then they also say, this is another one that that you can go to, and I didn't really like the name though, because it's called Sweatbox, and it's in Soho. Sweatbox in Soho. I don't like that name.
Well,
oh, somebody knows of one in Georgia. And somebody's telling you that you can smoke in their house. Isn't that nice? They're sweet. Okay. But apparently there's what? Trapee in Georgia? Is that Trapee in Georgia? I think I might need to have Kelly come on the show because she's
got a lot of info.
She or he? I think it's a he.
Well,
are you a male or a female, Kelly?
Please tell.
Well, anyways, until we find out,
because
they have a lot of information. Whoever
do.
they are. What do you mean? He? Oh, a
he.
he. Oh, it's a dude. Okay,
Kelly.
it's a dude. All right, Kelly.
Well,
Might have to have you on the show.
Do you know
need
the
to
name of the
message me.
place? That's by Kissimmee, I think.
No, they say Georgia. He said Georgia.
No, but I'm asking if he knows the place. There's a place out by Kissimmee that apparently runs as a nudist camp.
Oh, I heard of one like this past Kissimmee that's a nudist camp.
Right, and I hear that there's rooms and stuff that goes on, but they like cover as a nudist camp.
Oh.
I did a little bit of research on that today for the show.
It's like a swingers club?
Yeah.
Well, they're allowed to have those, I think, right? Or this is a swingers club for nudists.
I think that might
That's
be
what it probably is.
But
It's a nudist. It's a nudist club, but just for swingers, or I'm sure that's what it is.
Yeah.
I bet you that's what it is. That's probably their specialty. So not only do you get to go and have around and have threesomes and stuff, probably group
naked.
stuff, you're just naked.
All
it's
the
easy
time.
access. You get to see the goods before you.
That
That might be a good idea. Okay. Anyways, if you know about it, Kelly, I know your name looked familiar. He says we went to school together. Then you probably went to school with Deb too. Yeah.
Which school?
Cypress Cove, full of fatties, and they're nearly
I'm so
dead.
sorry.
Okay, so apparently, thank you, Harley.
That's hilarious.
I know he used to. I know why he knows that because he used to deliver meds out there.
Well, that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Some of my friends
Cypress
mentioned
Cove,
it.
that's it.
They were doing service calls like for plumbing issues and for
I bet
construction.
they're having plumbing issues.
Right? What's in that water?
I don't know what's in that water. And the villages too. I know there's got to be some places in the villages. You know there is because that's like And old people are getting their freak on and giving each other STDs and shit.
I hear it's just everywhere.
It is. Oh, it is everywhere. But I'm saying I'm just giving them some places they can go. Some local places.
They want some
right? Okay, now for couples. Oh, there's also one for gay or bi males. It's called Chariots. Chariots. Look that up. And it's like chariots of fire. Chariots. Then you got couples. They say again, websites and apps. Ashley Madison is going to be your main one. Sex clubs, swingers clubs. I know they got them. We were just talking about them. Saunas, again, with the saunas. Out to bars and clubs. That go out, check out singles together, approach singles together. That's not going to be a very planned thing. But they say that couples can do that. It's not, you know what I mean? I guess they don't have as hard of a time either for some reason, they say. But they also say that if you're looking for another woman, have the woman approach. Like if you're a couple and you're looking for another female, have your woman go talk to the chick.
Less, it's less aggressive.
Very. And then she'll know for sure that the chick is into it too. They say that you can also go to Killing Kittens. But again, couples, you better be hot. You better be hot and you better be prepared to pay somebody. So, those are the places that you can get you a threesome. Get you a threesome on. Organize one. Put one together. Check them out. Maybe you don't have to, especially like the clubs I'd say and stuff. You don't have to. If you go there, you don't have to.
No.
You can just go check it out.
Yeah. Those are their rules there. You know, if you're not interested, I'm sure they have certain things where you can.
I'm sure you can't go there and just watch, and then just be gawker.
I think you can.
Oh, you can?
I think you can.
Oh, you can do that?
Because you can basically be
maybe somebody's into that.
Basically, be considered as a interested, but not quite sure.
Just curious. But the people would have to be okay with that.
Right. So I'm sure that there's,
they'd
ways
be okay
to
with you watching. I don't know if you'd be over there,
hey,
helping yourself. They
voyeurism
might. I'm sure they will let certain people do that too. There's got to be people that are into that too. There's people that are just into voyeurism. People are into watching. There's fetish. Another fetish we can talk about next month in June. Fetish. June is fetish month. I've declared June fetish month.
Yes.
Now.
Okay. Sounds good.
Since they can make up these stupid holidays every day, then next month is fetish month.
It's Jetish.
Yes, it is. It's Jetish. Next, when we come back, we're going to go over the 10 things you only know if you've already had a threesome. So, I never have. I'm going to go on and put that out there. I've never had one. So, I've heard a lot about them, especially since I started this show. So, if you got any weird ones, we'd like to know. We're curious about it. Doesn't mean I want to go have one, but I'd like to hear it. I like hearing people's weird stories. It's fun. Okay. I'm going to tell you some of my weird stories, but they're not going to involve a third person in the bedroom. I'm sorry. But I do have some funny ones.
I bet you do.
Okay. Anyways, you're listening to The Sweet Spot. We'll be back in a few.